Opposite words. Some opposite words. Small, big. Some opposite words. High, low. Some opposite words. Hard, soft. Some opposite words. Noisy, quiet. Some opposite words. Luminous, dull. Some opposite words. Full, empty. Some opposite words. Thoughtful, selfish. We shall now learn how to form opposites with the help of prefix. A prefix is a letter or group of letters added to the beginning of a word. Opposites of some words can be formed by adding "un" to them, such as happy, unhappy. Able, unable. Easy, uneasy. Opposites of some words can be formed by adding "in" or "im" to them, such as direct, indirect. Capable, incapable. Possible, impossible. Pure, impure. Opposites of some words can be formed by adding "dis" to them, such as honest, dishonest. Like, dislike. Possible, impossible. Please, displease.